name is Shiksha and this is my home alarm system. So the goal of this system was to make sure that the ultrasonic sensor sends out sound waves, and when it receives something, the LEDs should be triggered. And when that happens, there will be print statements written out, and then whenever the red light blinks, there will be a question asked. The design and the build. So the build includes breadboards, Raspberry Pi, ultrasonic sensor, male and female wires, resistors, and LEDs. The program. So the program, this first part shows up the setting up of variables and the setting up of our GPIO, .GPIO as GPIO and our time. And the main code includes while loops, if statements, and print statements. So this is the main code, and you can see that the if statement, if the red light is turned on, then a question will be asked. If the answer is yes, then one certain statement will be printed, and if it's no, then it will say that the police has been notified. And then the yellow light, if that one is turned on, then it will say someone is approaching the door, and otherwise it will just have dashes and it will just print the regular distance. Rethink and test. So one issue that I had was that I noticed that I put an extra time.sleep statement, which caused my code to not run. And so I changed that by just simply removing that line of code, and I added a statement as GPIO.setWarnings false, which removed any alerts. And if I were to do anything different next time, I would want to add sound alerts. So demo. Okay. So right now it's a bigger distance, so it's just dashes. And once I come closer, you can see that the yellow light turns on, and then the red light turns on, and it asks the question. So if I say yes, it says, good job, you have nothing to worry about. And if I come close, and if I say no, then it says the police has been notified. Make sure you lock your door next time. So that's just the blinking lights.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for her? All right, let's give a round of applause.